Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to upload photos to Google Drive. Friends, it's always better to take backup of your mobile photos and documents on Google Drive. So first we need to open Google Drive. Now here press on this plus icon. Here press on upload. To upload a photo, press on gallery. Suppose I want to upload this photo. Now press on the photo. So friends, as you can see, my photo is uploaded on Google Drive. So friends, like this you can very easily take backup of your photos on Google Drive. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.